Tired of that same old Gmail notification sound? Change it to anything you want in under 2 minutes. I'll walk you through the exact settings to customize your desktop notification sound. Just follow these simple steps. Start by heading over to the Gmail homepage. Click the gear icon at the top right to open Settings. From the drop-down, select See All Settings. In Settings, scroll down to the Desktop Notifications section. Click New Mail Notifications On to enable them. The mail notification sounds appear below that option. Click the drop-down menu to see available sound options. Choose the notification sound you want by clicking on it. Scroll down and click Save Changes to apply your new sound. That's it. You're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.